Welcome back to MA Luxury Auto, your trusted destination for detailed automotive reviews, latest industry updates, and comprehensive insights into the world's most remarkable vehicles. Today we present the 2026 Ford F, a pickup truck that continues Ford's legacy of power, durability, and innovation while introducing fresh upgrades to meet the demands of modern drivers. The new Ford F embodies a bold and muscular design, featuring a more sculpted front fascia, a larger grille with a refined chrome finish, and LED lighting systems that enhance both style and visibility. The sleek yet commanding stance of the vehicle makes it stand out whether on city streets or rugged terrain, reflecting Ford's dedication to blending strength with sophistication. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford F offers a selection of powerful engine options tailored to various driving needs. The base variant comes with an efficient yet strong V6, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for everyday hauling and towing tasks. For those who crave maximum power, a V8 option pushes performance further, ensuring smooth acceleration even when carrying heavy loads. Ford has also introduced a hybrid powertrain option, combining traditional engine strength with electric efficiency to deliver enhanced fuel economy without compromising capability. Towing capacity has been improved, making it one of the most dependable trucks for work or adventure. Inside, the 2026 Ford F brings comfort and technology together in a way that caters to both drivers and passengers. Premium materials, including soft-touch leather seats, high-quality stitching, and wood or aluminum trim, elevate the cabin's feel. The dashboard features a large high-resolution infotainment screen with Ford's latest sync system, providing seamless smartphone integration, navigation, voice commands, and over-the-air software updates. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system enhance the overall driving experience. For those who prioritize convenience, the cabin also offers smart storage solutions, spacious legroom, and an ergonomic layout designed for long drives. Safety is at the core of the 2026 Ford F's design. It comes equipped with Ford Company Pilot 360, an advanced suite of driver assist technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only make driving safer but also less stressful, whether navigating tight urban spaces or reversing with a trailer attached. Enhanced suspension and upgraded brakes provide stability and confidence in various road conditions, from highways to off-road trails. Ford has also ensured that the 2026 model keeps up with environmental and technological trends. The hybrid variant significantly reduces emissions while still delivering strong performance. For those seeking off-road adventures, specialized trims include reinforced chassis components, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and terrain management systems with selectable driving modes. The truck bed is designed for practicality with a durable lining, integrated lighting, multiple tie-down points, and available power outlets, making it an ideal companion for both work and leisure activities. Overall, the 2026 Ford F stands as a symbol of strength, innovation, and adaptability. It offers a blend of performance, comfort, safety, and technology that few competitors can match. Whether used for heavy-duty work, family road trips, or weekend adventures, this truck proves that Ford continues to understand what drivers need in a versatile and dependable vehicle. Its refined design, advanced features, and powerful capabilities make it a top choice for anyone looking for a modern pickup that doesn't compromise on tradition or innovation. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car news, in-depth reviews, and exclusive automotive insights, make sure to subscribe to MA Luxury Auto and join our growing community of car enthusiasts.